Road tripping with kids. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST. Let's talk about 3 practices to better protect your kids on a long road trip. Those 3 P's are proper use, planning for brakes, and projectile management. Let's go. Proper use means check and make sure that your child's car seat or booster seat is installed correctly and that it's fitted correctly to your child before you go. Kids grow quickly and you may find that you need to make an adjustment. Inch test your installation. Make sure you have less than 1 inch of movement at the belt path. Make sure your child is still within the weight limit to use the lower latch anchors if you're using them. And make sure to use the top tether strap on your forward-facing car seats. Remember that harness straps should come out at or just below the shoulders for rear-facing and at or just above the shoulders for forward-facing. If your child uses a high-back booster seat, make sure the headrest is raised so that the belt guide is just above their shoulders. And if they use a backless booster, make sure that they have a vehicle headrest with support at least to the tops of the ears. Always read and follow your specific car seat or booster seat manual's instructions. Practice 1 is proper use. Double check your fit and install. Practice 2 is plan for brakes. Everyone in the car, no matter how old they are, should plan to get out of the car and stretch for about 15 minutes about every 2 hours. This gets blood moving through your body, enhances circulation, prevents driver fatigue, and let's face it, you're going to have to stop for potty breaks, diaper changes, and feeding anyway. Plan for stops along your route that have a playground or other play area where the kids can run off some steam. And if you have a baby, bring a picnic blanket with you to lay down so that your baby can roll, stretch, crawl, and move. Practice 3 is projectile management. Remember that anything in your car that is not strapped down can become a projectile. It can be thrown around your car and injure somebody during a crash. While we usually can't eliminate projectiles entirely, we can be mindful in how we manage them to reduce our risks. Pack as much as you can in your vehicle's trunk or cargo area, including anything that is particularly large, heavy, hard, or sharp. And then be mindful of what you're keeping in the back seat with your kids. Consider lighter weight plastic or silicone water bottles instead of a heavy metal one. Keep a stash of lightweight, soft, or flexible toys to occupy them. Lightweight paperback books and magazines are also great. If you are choosing to allow devices in the car, please remember that there are no crash test standards for those aftermarket tablet mounts that attach to your headrests to meet. If you are going to use them, put them in a padded case and be aware that they are still a pretty significant hazard in a crash. Like I said, we can't eliminate every projectile hazard, but we can be mindful to minimize risk. So for road tripping with kids, 3 practices to keep them safer. Proper use of car seats and booster seats, planning for brakes, projectile management, and for heaven's sakes, put on your own seatbelt. Safe travels, everyone.